Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add FAQ to Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. So first of all, open editor and click on add section and then click on insert icon, and here you'll find this accordion, so click on that. So here you can see FAQ items have been added, and if you want to delete any item, simply click on this delete button and now select any item, and you can give here your title and you can add your description here. And if you want to add more items, click on add item, and the same way open the item and give you your title and a description, and go to design tab, and now you can change the text title heading. You can change the description text. You can turn on expand first item. You can allow multiple open items, and you can change the icon to arrow or plus. So this was how we can add FAQ on Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.